Morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine. Today I am going to teach you chapter 8. It is our skeletal system. Let's see the contents. The skeletal system, the joints, muscles and the movement of bones. So in my previous class I have already taught you about the skeletal system and what are the parts it consists. And today I am going to teach you the joints. So we will study about the joints. What is called joint? You have already got in earlier classes. So, a place where two or more bones join is called joints. They are of mainly two types. Number one, immovable joint. Number two, movable joints. So, what is called immovable joints? Immovable joints are the joints that do not allow any movements. It is present in our skull. So in our skull, the joints are fixed. They do not move. So these immovable joints are also called fixed joints. Remember, about these immovable joints not given in your book yet. For your understanding, better understanding, I mentioned here. In your book only movable joint is explained, mentioned. So movable joints, they are four types. These are number A, hinge joint. Number B, ball and socket joint. Number C, pivot joint. Number D, gliding joint. So let us know this all kind of movable joints one by one. Number one is hinge joints. What is called hinge joints? Hinge joints allow movement in only one direction, like the hinge of a door. It is present in our elbow, knee, fingers. Okay. See, the joints in our elbow allow movement in only upward direction, not in downward direction. So it is only one direction, no? Like hinge of a door. In the same way, in our finger also, we cannot move downwards, only upwards. Understood, no? Next is ball and ball and socket joint. What is ball and socket joint? Ball and socket joints are the joints. Here, one ball-like structure is there, another is socket-like structure is there, like hole. So ball is fixed in the socket. It is present in our shoulder and in our hip. Okay, in our shoulder. So it allow movements in all direction. See, this movement will allow in all direction like this, because it is ball-like structure fixed in a socket-like structure. It can allow in movement in all directions. Next is our pivot joints. What is called pivot joints? So pivot joint is the joints that allow the bones to twist and rotate. Okay, it is present in our neck. So it is present here in the first two vertebra and the skull. Okay, skull bone. So it will allow movements in all direction, as well as we can move our neck forward, backward, sideways also. So this is about the pivot joints. Next is gliding joints. So what are gliding joints? Gliding joints are the joints that their bones are glide over each other, slide over each other. It is present in our wrist and ankle. Wrist and ankle. So gliding joint is also present in our backbone, and for that reason we can turn, twist and bend ourselves. Okay, it is present in our backbone. So this is all about the movable joints: hinge joints, ball and socket joint, pivot joints, and gliding joints. These joints pictures are given in your book also. Let's see the pictures. Repeat. Let's revise. So the hinge joints in elbow allow movement in one direction only, like the hinge of a door. Then ball and socket joints present in the hip and the shoulder. Here given the picture of hip. Here ball like structure and socket like structure. Ball is fixed into the socket. Then the pivot joint, this is present in our neck region. For that we can twist, rotate our neck. Then gliding joints, it is present in our wrist and ankle also. So this is our wrist. Bones are slide over each other. So my dear students, I hope all of you have understood about the joints I explained today. And for today this much. And in my next class I will teach you about muscles and the movement of bones. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.